Right, YouTubers, if you've got old projects, university projects or work projects that have acetates, here's how to make a face mask. You need two. You need the front and back cover and a piece of Velcro. This is 50 centimeters long, 500 mil, and you need a clip from this is a cut part, but effectively just a push stud rivet, they're called, that are designed to hold sheets of plastic together. Costs about £2 on eBay for about 5 or 10 of them. So I'll tip the camera down and show you how to assemble and create this. What you need is a front and back cover, hole punch, and a pair of scissors or a knife. So take the acetate, that's going to be your face visor. You want to put a hole in the middle, just using the hole punch down there. Either side you can see I've created 2 holes, about 10 mil in, or the depth of the hole punch, about 15 mil from the top and about 30 mil from the top, or 35 mil. So this gap is about 20 mil. So you want to do that one side and the other. Now taking the other side of your project and another A4 sheet of acetate, cut 4 or 5 strips down the length, and you'll get, as I say, 4, 5 or maybe 6 out of one sheet. And then using the hole punch again, you want to create a hole one end and the other roughly in the middle, so that you can join the two like so. Now taking your rivet, basically put the 3 layers together, rivet from front to back through like so, and push in, and then that's attached. Simple. Take your Velcro. You need about 50 centimeters of the furry side. Lay it over there and go from back to front through that gap, back, front, through that gap, over the ring, like so. You can make final adjustments in a bit. And then using about 20 centimeters of the hook side, so you need to cut this, attach 30 or 40 mil in, like that. And then what you'll do is use that as an adjustment to bring round onto the other side when it's around your head. So that produces this scenario here, and there you have it. So as you can see, it's quite a distance from the face. You can adjust that by just sliding the mask forward. You can use the Velcro around the back of your head just to get a nice perfect fit, and then this ring just sits on your forehead. There's no pressure on it at all. All it's doing is just holding the screen off your face. There's about between 7 and 9 centimeters in front of my mouth, so perfectly adequate to put a mask underneath. You could, as I say, this is just a concept, so you could add a second ring here just to give you a little bit more stability. You know, this pin perfectly adequate to go all the way through a number of layers. You could add also another one of these pins between the Velcro and the back of the hoop, again just to give you a little bit of sideways stability. But this weighs about 34 grams, so you hardly know you're wearing it.